You guys, today was the day that we have been waiting for a long time, and it came and went very quickly. These shoes actually sold out in 6 minutes, but we saw a lot more retail W's than we really thought we would, and that rumored stock was nowhere close. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. I like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with rock, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, we get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, before we get any further into today's video, I want to give you guys a major shout out. You guys have shown me an enormous amount of love this past like 2 weeks actually, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Again, continue to hit the like button, continue to share button, and of course the hype button if you guys are on mobile. Means more to me than you guys know what you guys have been doing lately. And again, trying to try some different things on the channel, trying to of course make everything just a little bit better for you guys, and I think we're really trending in that right direction for y'all. So again, I want to give you guys a major shout out for everything that you guys have been doing, because every single thing you guys have done has pushed all the videos a little bit further out into the algorithm. So thank you guys as always for supporting. But you guys, today's video, what we are talking about is of course the release of the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick after brick. These came and went. I'm telling y'all, these, again, I know a lot of y'all was super excited. I want to know how many people got a retail W in the comment section down below. I had a ton of people coming to my video saying that they got a W, and I saw a bunch of people that I personally know get W's. I was actually able to get my girl a pair and everything, so that was really cool. For retail, again, wearing a 4.5 definitely helps out. She gets all the luck on that, but definitely super grateful to be able to do that. I know a ton of you guys was able to grab retail pairs, and I'm kind of curious what you guys think is going to happen coming up with the resale, because if you guys look at it, honestly, it did go down quite a bit actually. Like if you look at it, a 9.5 is actually $297 and 8 is $280, which is the lowest ask, you guys. And of course a 10 is $318, 10.5 $327, a 12 is $388, 13 is $405. We already know the bigger sizes are going to have just a little bit more resale value. Again, I honestly see these going up just a tad bit, maybe in that 350 range is where it's going to sit. But I do think like that 10 and up is going to kind of stay where it is. I know a lot of people, I know That's OD Soho and District 1 and everybody did restock. So if you guys do have to pay the resale value, I'm gonna be honest, they have some great prices, so check them out as well. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't that was anywhere close. They were saying there was 45,000 pairs on sneakers, and there was like supposedly about to be 100,000 pairs, whatever. I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't even close on sneakers. It was like 28,000 and some change. Let me tell you guys the exact number, but it was 28,010 pairs. So if you guys look at it, definitely not a whole lot. But again, we did see a lot more retail W's for people than we are used to. Now, if you guys look at how many pairs are selling, like a size 9.5, there's been 533 sold in the last 3 days. A size 10, 474. A 10.5, let's see how this one, 406. I mean, if you look at it, these things honestly are selling extremely well. 235 of US men's 8. I'm gonna be honest, 100,000 pairs, it just does not seem right. And I kind of knew the rumored 45,000. I didn't think, like I said in the video yesterday, I thought there would be a little bit less. It ended up being quite a bit less, because that's almost 17,000 pairs short compared to the rumor that was on there. So yeah, I definitely saw that kind of happening. I was hoping there would be 45,000, because that means everybody's going to get a retail W. Just not how it ended up working out. Again, I think this is a fire sneaker. I think it looks great on feet. If, of course, The on feet I did, I really love how it came out and how these look. Yeah, the more and more I see them on feet, the more and more I kind of fall in love with this shoe. But I'm really glad that the resale is not that high. Hopefully it does not do, and I don't think it will, but hopefully it doesn't do what the brick by brick did, because that one had a very similar resale value the day it released and then just shot up. It just shot up out of nowhere. And yeah, just over time, you guys know how that goes. But I really am glad that people that wanted this shoe are going to be able to get it for not that bad of a price, to be honest. But in my opinion, this is still going to be in the running for Sneaker of the Year, along with, of course, the Virgil Abloh Alaska. This is going to be one, of course, going to probably take it. In my opinion, it probably should. I think this should be like number 2. But again, does not take away from how great I think this shoe is. Again, the leather, the quality, everything. Just some quality control issues that I wish weren't the case, but that just is what it is. Again, I would check your pairs whenever they do come in, if you guys did get a retail W, just to make sure. But at the end of the day, a retail W on these is great. 28,000 pairs, not a lot to go around. I actually ended up, I'm talking about, I got an instant W for her pair. Like, it was as soon as it was like 902, 903, I hit. So I was super happy with that. Just one, again, I really think everybody should have tried for, because you can at least use them for trade bait. That's one thing that will always be. Hold it for a little bit. If you hit for retail, it's not that bad. But again, let me know in the comment section down below who all took home W's today. Again, this is one I love. I'm gonna wear it a lot, and yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this shoe. This is gonna be one that, again, I think is gonna be in a rotation, especially with how many I have. It's gonna be in rotation pretty often, let's be honest. So again, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys, of course, wanted this pair. Again, I think it was one that everybody should have at least tried every raffle. I took L's on quite literally every single raffle. I took L's on Nigel's website, took L's on Better Plus, which of course was PJ Tucker's store. Took L's basically everywhere, and because again, a lot of people went after the shoe. So if you guys took home a W, that was great luck. And again, check out Seth Fowler. He did, of course, does have some socks and everything to go with it. If you guys needed that, check out Apothecary. Do have socks that dropped with these, so definitely check that out as well. Just a lot of things. If you guys took home W's on the merch, I took nothing but L's on the merch. I was hoping to kind of get a couple more pieces and everything for retail. Just did not, of course, go my way. I'll look at and see if maybe they have the stock numbers and everything for all of the merch, but it looks like probably not. But again, it could not have been a lot. I'm gonna be honest. It could have been a couple hundred pieces each. And of course, so that's not a lot at all, because I know everybody went for that as well. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys went home with a W or if you guys took that L. Let me know in the comment section. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. And again, this day was one we've been waiting for a little while. Thank God it's over, because now we're on to the Toro. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.